Welcome back to the channel. Me and Eva are off out for a little short ride today. We haven't got too much time, but we really wanted to show you a really nice little coastal town called Exmouth in Devon. It's in East Devon, so we're going to nip down there and show you some of the highlights. So to find it, leaving Exeter, look for the A376, follow it all the way through the end, through Lewisham, past the barracks here, through the little villages, and you will end up at Exmouth. You can't go wrong.
I really like Exmouth. It's a really nice beach, really nice ride. So on the days when we don't have that much time to ride, it's always a good option.
Yeah, it's only about half hour for us, so it doesn't matter what time of year it is either. Like, this is a nice place to go if you just want to nip out on the bike for half hour of an evening.
Yeah.
We pop down here, and, you know, and get a coffee and that. Oh, and there's a really popular place down here with bikers as well. You'll often find bikers down here on Sunday. Yeah, we'll show you that one. It's down at the end, but it's a really nice place. That is one of the favourites. I don't know if you can see this. Up here on the left is one of these new types of speed cameras. They're replacing the old-fashioned box ones.
Yeah, right. I was going to say there was the old one there.
I've noticed they're putting them higher up now, so people can't get them. The one that was there before was getting burnt out a lot or filled with foam.
Wow. Well, the secret is just not to speed.
Absolutely, my little angel.
I don't have anything to speed with anyway.
So here we are, just approaching now Exmouth town. Lovely little town. Look at all the flowers in the pots, and they filled old boats up with flowers. They do look after the place here. The gateway to the Jurassic Coast, East Devon, apparently. Somebody keeps changing the top of that post box. They knit something new every now and again. It's got a seagull on it this time. So follow the main strip of the beach down, and when you get down to here at Forts, turn right at the lifeboat house, and you can park right next to the seafront along here. Far end section of the beach is called Orkham Point. Strictly speaking, you're not allowed to park on here, but bikes park along here all the time, usually where those cyclists are, and you can sit on the wall and enjoy a really nice coffee or ice cream or cake from this Bumble and Sea place up here. Nice place. Card only though, it's worth noting. So Crispies is on Exeter Road as you come into Exmouth. They've won the National Fish and Chip Awards many times, and they do something called battered chips, so I believe they're cooked a couple of times. Highly recommend it.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for joining us on the road. If there is any places we missed in Exmouth, or you've got any favourites of yours, let us know in the comments below, and subscribe so you can see our future videos. We'll see you again on the road.